Guys, in this video, we will learn Async IO in Python. Async IO, asynchronous input output, is a powerful feature in Python that allows you to write concurrent and synchronous code. It is not multi-threading or multi-processing. In Python, Async IO is supported via the Async IO package. Okay, the async keyword defines a coroutine which can use await, yield, or return. The await keyword is used to wait for asynchronous operation. It is used for high performance network servers, web servers, database connection, and many more things. Okay, and how to set up Async IO? So you will need Python 3.7 or above. Now let's get started with our tutorial. I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. So in order to start with Async IO package, you have to install it on your computer first. To install Async IO package on your computer, you have to open your terminal. First, you have to check whether Async IO is installed on your computer or not. You have to type in one command, pip list, right? So this command will show you what packages are installed on your computer. If I check, so I could found Async IO is installed on my computer. 3.4.3 version is installed, right? If you want to install Async IO on your computer, you have to type in one command, that is pip install async IO, right? Always latest version would be installed on your computer. Okay, first let's import async IO. Async IO, you could see, right? So we are going to create a simple function, a def function one, and then we will be using await async IO dot sleep for 1 second. Again, we will wait. Okay, and in order to make this function as a task, you have to use async keyword, right? Okay, so this is very simple function. In order to execute this one, async IO dot run function we have to use, and we have to pass on our function one. Okay, this is very simple. If you're in the program, you will see a 1 second of delay in each statement, right? Coding news today, right? Because this silly function works for 1 second. Now let's improve this program a bit, right? We will create another function. So what we are going to do, we are going to execute F1 function inside F2. Okay, io.sleep for 1 second, and then we will be calling await F1, right? So this F1 function actually will be called inside F2, and cursor will be waiting here until this F1 execution is completed, right? Okay, and then we will be printing, let's say, 5, and we will just improve this F1 function 1. Okay, so this is very simple. We will keep everything else as it is, right? If you're in the program again, so you will see a 1 second of delay in each statement 1, 2, 3. Instead of F1, we will call F2 because inside F2 we have used F1. Okay. If you're in the program again, so you will see 4 is printed 1, 2, 3, and then 5. Okay. You see? So this is how await and async works. We can use these keywords to put our task concurrently. This is not multi-threading and multi-processing. This is a complete library which actually allow developers to execute program concurrently. Okay. Now let's improve this program a bit. We will be now using async io.create task function, right? So instead of print 4, okay, so we will be just removing this, and before that, what we'll do, we will be creating a task, right? A simple object name we have taken here, async io.create task function. Okay, very simple. So if you run the program, so you will see 4, 1, 2, and 3 and 5, right? Means all the tasks are executing concurrently. You can remove this statement, right? And 4152 means 4, 1, but 3 did not execute it. 3 did not print it because this main function is only sleeping for 1 second. If you make it 2, then at the same times other sleep statement would be completing. Okay, you will see 4, 1, 2, 5, 3. Okay, we can use easily create task function. We can create n number of tasks here. Okay, create one more task, take one more task, task 1 and F3. Okay, If you're in the program, here we can increase the sleeping time, and we would see all the statements would be printed, right? 4 1 6 2 7 3 8 5, right? Okay, right? So this is how we can create n number of tasks with the help of create task function, and we can execute those all tasks concurrently, right? I have bit improved version of this tutorial. We have three functions, f1, f2, f3, right? Wherein we are having one main function. Inside the main function, we are using new function here, gather, and we are calling f1, f2, and f3 from this function. You see, and we are awaiting here until the execution is completed. Here we will wait, okay, and then we will be printing main and it, right? It is very simple, okay, right? If you're in the program again, you will see f1, f2, f3 started, and these all tasks are ended.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.